There are a couple of tools on this platform to help you with auditing, like Setup Audit Trail and Field History Tracking. The Setup Audit Trail keeps track of all the changes that are made to the application from the beginning of time. You can view the audit trail from Security Controls, View Setup Audit Trail. This trail has information about every change that is made to the application, like creating objects, fields, validation rules, workflows, approvals, and any customization that is made. It is currently showing the last 20 changes, but you can download the entire trail for the last 6 months as a CSV file. Please do make a note that this trail does not keep track of records. Field History Tracking. This tool lets you keep track of changes made to a record. For example, if someone updated the status of the position to closed field, and you want to know who did it and when, to keep track of that, you can enable Field History Tracking on that field. From Setup, Object, Set History Tracking. Let me enable History Tracking for the status field on the position object. You can enable history tracking for a maximum of 20 fields per object. Let me save this and go back to the position record and edit the page layout to add the position history related list. Drag and drop it onto the page layout and save. You can now keep track of all the changes made to the status field in the related list. Let me also talk about login history. You can open it from Setup, Manage Users, Login History. This keeps track of who logged into the application and when, the IP address, what browser, and what operating system. You can see the last 20,000 logins. If you need more information, you can download the last 6 months login trail as a CSV file. Tools like the Setup Audit Trail, Field History Tracking, and Login History bring in transparency and accountability for all users of the application.